Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix error code 0xc0000428 in Windows 11 or 10. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, make sure that you have this window, okay? This is the advanced startup window, or sometimes called startup repair screen. So what you'll do in here, since this error frequently relates to file system corruption, well, you might want to go ahead and go to troubleshoot, click on it. Now click on advanced options. And here, if you have a restore point, just click on it. And just find your restore point from here, just like this one. Click on it, click on next, follow simple prompts. And once that should be good to go. If not, okay, go ahead and go back to this set of a page. And by the way, if you can't see or if you can't go through this page, all you got to do is just go ahead and restart your computer 3 times. Okay, use the power button. If it tries to boot up, restart it again for about 3 times, and at the 4th time it will now be available. Okay, so click on troubleshoot, reset this PC, okay, and just keep your files if you want to. If you don't have important files, well, by all means click on remove everything. Click on one, wait for it to load, and once it loads, just use a local reinstall. Or if you want all available updates be after you reset this PC, well, just click on cloud download. So just click on one option, follow simple prompts, and once done, you should be good to go. That is it. This is just a beginner guide. If you want me to create a video talking about how to use a command prompt for this specific problem, well, you can just go out and let me know in the comments below. All right, but that's just basically it. That is how you fix error code 0xc, multiple zeros, and 428. Hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.